Today case get to do with a young girl. In a rape case, and the saddest part now say na own papa, according to her, they rape her.
Now, a case of a young girl, 17 years now she did, and she talks say since she did 12 years now her own papa, that's her papa we born her, start to sleep with her, and she don't do abortion for the man once. Yes, and I asked her how the whole abortion thing take up. She said the man bring nurse come house, come do the abortion for her inside house. Try to recover everything, and how the matter take cast now. You go hear him. Now just the summary of everything with you on ground right now. So welcome, madam.
Good
the person
morning,
will carry the case come meet us. Good morning.
Good morning, Wazobia soldiers. So I get one little sister with me, and she be age mate with this same girl where her papa they sleep with. So my sister they always tell me say, her friend they always cry for corner, and she they always sleep for school because then they the same school together, and we they live for the same environment. So I tell her that she should just try and ask her friend wetin make her dey cry always. She can't say okay, she can't ask the girl. On Wednesday night, she say she see the girl dey cry again. She ask her wetin happen, why you dey always cry. She come to say the girl come talk say her papa dey sleep with her. Then na wetin my sister tell me be that I come to say shey you dey sure for this thing wey you dey tell me? This one show cool. She can't say yes, she dey sure. I can't tell and say okay, if you sure say you na the true you dey tell me, just tell the girl say make she come my house. I would like to just see her. Then she say okay, no problem. She brought the girl to me. So the girl can't tell me the story. I can't say omo this one pass my power. I'll say be like say na Wazobia FM go help us treat this case. So I can't send message give Papito on Instagram.
How old you dey?
I'm 17.
Come close.
17 years, have you?
Come close.
SS3.
SS3. Okay. The man are your papa.
Yes.
Papa will born you. Your papa will born you.
Yes.
How long this thing done they happen?
Since when I was 12.
Since when you were 12 years. If you remember the first time when this thing happened.
There's one day like this, I was reading in my room. So
You get your own room?
yes,
Okay. How many siblings you get?
3
The house when I live now, how many bedroom?
3 bedroom.
3-bedroom flats. Okay. Go ahead.
So then my brothers, they have gone to school, so it's only me that was at home because I've not resumed school by that time. And then he just suddenly came to my room and said I should stand up, I should go inside his room. That what am I doing? So that day as I entered inside his room, then started to touch me, and then that day he raped me.
So he raped you that day. You tell your mama.
Yes.
Waiting she talk.
She just said I should not be annoying, and then the two of them began to fight.
You say you tell your mama, you must make you no vex. Now the only thing where she tell you make you no vex. Finish. She no carry go hospital. Your pa no carry go hospital too for any form of checkup or anything too. After that first thing will happen.
No.
So after that day, he continue to dey sleep with you.
Yes.
Like every day, back to back. He just dey sleep with you. They go. Reach now where you be 17 years.
Yes.
When you find out say you get belle, you tell him. How you take find out say you get belle?
I used to sleep in school, so he's when I even found out that
Okay, he's one that found out that you are pregnant.
yes.
Then he come bring person come house. We comot the pikin for you. We comot the pikin for him.
Yes.
Now he nurse he carry come.
Yes.
The nurse wey do this whole thing no say na your papa.
Yes.
Aside this auntie now and we you dey tell now, you don't ever tell anybody this thing.
No.
Nobody don't hear.
No.
This are the first time where you dey open up to, aside this auntie and us. Nobody, you never tell anybody again.
And apart
No.
from your mom.
Apart from your mom, when you don't tell before.
Yes.
Please, make them check well whether these people, now them born this pikin.
There's a place for DNA, but according to her, she says she did sure. Say indeed, na papa and na mama.
If you dey sure say na them born am, beg, let Wazobia follow this matter well. This matter need to find out where wetin dem use that girl do. For the mama to tell her say, wetin be no vex for this kind thing. E dey painful. It's painful. So my own, I made them look into it well.
All right, thank you very much.
So,
her mama senior her papa with 11, 10. In fact, it's in plenty. Yeah, between 10 to 15 years. We'll put her like that. Now the age bracket be that. So the papa they way younger than the mama. Now waiting we discover. We'll ask her question.
When they born you? When
2008.
2008, have you?
Yes.
Which class you now?
SS3.
Which department today? Science, commercial, or arts? Okay.
Wetin me I wan ask be say na she be the only daughter.
Answer.
No be she. No be she.
Is she the first or the last born?
Now she be firstborn.
And again, I noticed something.
Off your
Maybe-
radio, off your radio.
Okay. Maybe when his mama marry his papa, maybe na because of money, his papa marry him mama. Because that person wey born pikin go talk say make e no vex for this kind thing wey happen. We get as e be o.
This person here say, excellent morning, Papito and Ada. I strongly believe there's something her parents are doing in secret which she doesn't know. It could be that she's being used for ritual. The more the man sleeps with her, the more money flows into the family. There is this particular tribe that likes to sacrifice one of their child to sustain their family. And it has to be an agreement between husband and wife without the consent of that child. Please, what tribe is she? Where are you from? Are you Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Calabar? Just where? Yeah, Yoruba. Okay. Bakia soldiers, waiting una think say we go do for this situation. We also go carry on from our own end, but we won't hear from una. Investigations, trust me, go down for this matter. We go pick who we go pick. We go handle who we go handle. Everything are for the safety and for the well-being of this young lady with the inside studio with us. And once again, thank you to the lady, to the auntie we carry her come, because na very brief step she take to carry the matter come outside. Na very, very brief step. Because the people go here and they go say, you know, concern my baby, man, no go put her for waiting and no fit carry you. Man, no go start waiting and no fit finish you. Ben na Lagos we do, Nigeria we do. Man, just did my own jeje, but she no thinking like that. She carry the matter come outside to seek justice and to seek help for this young girl. So thank you. We thank you. I don't want to mention your name also, but we thank you for this brave step where you take. Because trust me, you know it's you. Thank you so much.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.